Cleaning your dog's ear, I don't like to use the Q-tips with the little dogs because they tend to move their head and you don't want to poke them in the ear. So what I use is the little pads, and we put our ear wash on the pads. Thanks, Susie. Lay down. There we go. Stay. And we just want to wipe down inside the ear with your finger as far as, and some of the ear wash will get down in the ear and they can shake it off, and this stuff isn't bad for their ears. And you just wipe the outside of the ears. Same with the other side. We're just going to make sure he doesn't have any stuff down in there. It's okay, Sush. Good boy. A little bit more. And now Sushi's ears are all clean.